Coinbase is an American company that operates a cryptocurrency exchange platform. The reason Coinbase going public is so big for you and I is that by buying Coinbase stock right now, it allows you to be long crypto without being over leveraged on any one particular cryptocurrency asset. If you have not already purchased Coinbase stock, it actually means that you are short crypto and may not be the best idea as we start to see the rise of decentralization and adoption of digital currencies. Coinbase is a platform that allows you to buy, sell, convert, exchange cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and over 50 others. Coinbase was founded in 2012, and an interesting fact is that they operate entirely remote. They don't have a physical HQ location. And something else that's fascinating to see is that Coinbase has been around for less than 10 years, and the market capitalization, so the value of the company essentially in the public markets, is $86 billion. Put this in perspective to an established premier firm like Goldman Sachs, one of the premier players on Wall Street. And Goldman has been around for decades, and Goldman's market cap is roughly $115 billion. That's wild that Coinbase is already almost more valuable. So this is something that we definitely need to take a deeper look at. I personally have purchased 3 shares of Coinbase the day it IPO'd, investing $1,000 of my own dollars in it.
If you want to have a platform that normalizes and abstracts away all the complexity of crypto, Coinbase is the only platform on the planet that does that. Even their competitors will tell you they owe it to Coinbase that the crypto industry and their opportunity in their world is even possible. And if you look at the assets under management, Coinbase is managing 10% of the totality of all crypto value on the planet today. And so this is not only an important company for the industry, but it's also one that's paving the way for the entire industry moving forward. And that's what I'm frankly interested and excited about, is what comes after for the company.
Sure.
A direct listing by nature is going to be, it's like after a lockup, right? After a 6-month lockup in a classic IPO, there's going to be a lot of up and downs while people are finding diversity and there's a lot of trading. But long term, the long journey, I think, is up and to the right for this company.
When we look at the leading technology companies today, did Apple start out as just a smartphone provider? Did Amazon just start out as a digital bookstore? These companies laid the infrastructure and the groundwork for a platform and build an ecosystem around it. And when I hear that Coinbase has the leading platform to make cryptocurrency investing simple for the average investor like you and me to get in, get exposure, when I hear that they're investing in the disruptors and potential innovation, fostering an ecosystem around Coinbase Ventures, that's a sign to me that shows future growth. Who are the other largest tech IPOs? Alibaba and Facebook. Coinbase is in the top 5 largest tech IPOs, so I'm not gonna say it's too big to fail, but they have such a large first mover advantage that they're so well positioned to capture this immediate value and growth, and also so much long-term upside. The stock price right now, 370, is quite expensive, but what I've seen is these companies that price so high in the beginning, it's always going to be expensive. It's going to be expensive now, it's going to be expensive in 2 years, it's going to be expensive in 5 years. So you may as well get in right now. Right now is the best time to invest in Coinbase. And if you want to be long crypto without being overexposed, go buy Coinbase stock right now. Please note, I'm by no means a fiduciary and you should not necessarily take my investing advice. I would love to hear your comments and thoughts down below. Do you think the case I made around Coinbase makes sense? Is it valid? Have you invested in Coinbase? Will you invest in Coinbase? What do you think is the long-term potential upside? Let us know in the comments below. I know we're gonna have a lot of people that agree, that disagree, that love crypto, that hate crypto. So let's have a discussion down below and let's try and do what's best for everyone so that we all can capitalize on this long-term upside and hopefully make more money, because that's really the whole point of investing, to get your money right, get your finances in the right place. Just for fun and a reward watching to this point in the video, the other technology companies that I have the greatest exposure to and believe in the long-term growth potential upside: Palantir, ZoomInfo, Amazon, and SoFi. The stock ticker on SoFi is IPOE right now. It went public via a SPAC, so there's gonna be a lot of volatility. In all these stocks, there's a lot of volatility, but there's a lot of long-term upside. So if you buy, make sure to be willing to hold for a couple years.